Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and that is my leftover cup of golds with black, Amsterdam black and Amsterdam white and some silver from Arteza and some Deco Art Americana with 24 karat gold, and some of the same with some orange in it and some matte gold, and it's all in there. And I want to create some kind of really strange puddle pour. I'm going to use whatever feels like I have the most of it handy. Why don't I just be crazy and give myself a little bit of my regular black. Oh look, it's a monster! I could give it white eyes. I'm going to put some Amsterdam white in there too. I'm going to have to mix up some more of this really quick. I'm just going to keep putting colors down. This is Mysterious from a long time ago. We can't get that anymore. This is the 24 karat gold with orange in it. This is something that needs to be shaken. I'm pretty sure that is got iridescent pearl fine in it from Golden. I think I want some lighter orange, is what my muse just whispered in my ear. And that looks like it has a little clog in it. I might put some more black down. I need enough paint on this canvas to be able to tip. And I'm going to grab the white, Anita's Metallic. And the Chrysocolla which is a prism pour from Color Art. So I haven't used much of it yet. And if I dare, I might dare. I have both some, oh, it's not open. Neither one of them's open. Darn. Okay, well let me grab something else then. Here's my Folk Art Purple Flash. I don't know what that thing was, but it's got to go. And then I have some Hot Orchid, which I'm not sure what I'm going to do with yet, but it's too expensive to waste, so I better not put it anywhere where it's going to get lost. Probably going to put some black or some white around the outside edge of this. I am going to use I'm just going to sort of fill in my gaps. I wish there was a little more in there, and that usually comes with me actually putting some more in there, and that's what I'm going to do. A little more gold, a little more Deco Art Americana gold, a little more of the white Amsterdam white. I have no idea what this is going to look like, but that's kind of the point. This is my art therapy day. I'm going to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and put all the rest of that paint right someplace I can use it up. I'm not trying too hard to pick specific places because I'm not to the point where I'm ready to tip yet, but I'm getting closer all the time. I'm afraid I'm going to lose some colors. You know what I really want to do? I really want to open up my Venetian blue, which I was ready to give up on a moment ago, but I'm not going to give up on it yet. Because I think I really want this. I think it's what might make it come together. Of course, it might also disappear entirely, which happens pretty frequently. Come on, go back on. Please go on. It's time to clean the threads out, I think. I'll probably like the look of my pre-painting as much, if not more than what's coming. Yeah, I like that blue. But you know what? That just makes me want the other blue that goes with it. And I've got just enough hole for my tweezers. I have sharp pointed tweezers, and you can find them on my Amazon link. Oh, that's slow and painful. Come on. So let's go for... Yeah, I gotta make some more up anyway. The titanium white from Amsterdam. You know what? I really just don't have enough of that. But what I do have mixed is plenty of the Anita's white metallic. Let's let that run down that way first. Let's grab an edge catcher that's the right size, hopefully. I'm pretty sure there's one right here. That's not it, but that is. I want more black in there, and I don't need it to be anything special. Do I want it to be black? No clue. We should torch really quickly. I could definitely wreck this as in drag something through it. And maybe just for grins, I should do that really quickly. With what? With a skewer, of course. Maybe not. Maybe one of my weird little tools. Alright. Let's just do it. See what we get. And if I don't like what I get, I'll do something else with it. I think I'm just going to keep rotating around until I get as close to my edges as I possibly can. I can watch the wave of paint. I love the random patterns in there, I really do. This might be exceptional. At the very least, it will be somewhat extraordinary. Oh, I thought I saw a peacock feather for a second. Okay, so is it time? Come on, you can pick it up. I need a bunch of paint over here on this side before I get so close to my edge. You know what? This edge is speaking to me and telling me it's time over here. So let's start here. And leaving a little gap that I can hang on to isn't hurting my feelings a bit. And anytime I have a puddle of paint, I can tip it so it can run down. I can rock it. And there is enough paint on here to do some interesting things, so we're going to hope that that's the way it's going to work out. Although I really, really, really like this over here. And I think if I do that all the way down, I might have better luck keeping it. We'll see. My edge catcher is going to be sweet. There, I lost it all, darn. I think I can cover that with a fingerprint. Fill in the gaps. I'm getting close. Should I torch really quickly? Should I pick up some paint on my turntable and use it? I could do that. I'm going to have to scrape up all the paint off my turntable and put it on my Olefin silicone mat after this. Okay, so what I'm seeing right now is that I want some more white over here. And since the Anita's is the least expensive of anything that I use, that's going to be what it's going to be. And I'm just going to blow it into place for right now. Use the paint I see on my edge catcher right quickly. I don't think anything's going to go so far that I need to worry about it. I hope I'm right. I think it's getting on for the last side, and I am getting covered with paint. I definitely used too much paint. You can tell by the coverage of my hand. So what I'm thinking is it's time to grab grab an OXO omelet turning spatula and deposit as much of that paint as I possibly can right along the edge of the canvas, rather than tip away any more absolutely awesomeness. Just use the paint that I have, because it's pretty awesome already. And then I will just use a skewer and probably maybe a straw. Or, quite honestly, my spatula works pretty well just by running the edge along. I might have to tip that. I will definitely be looking for... I've used up almost all my spatulas, so I'm going to resort to a palette knife, which actually works really well for all kinds of things. And although I definitely don't want that line of demarcation, I like everything else, so it makes it kind of hard to want to mess with it. I suppose I could swipe into it, or good thinking, Priscilla. Just blow into it. Spread that paint, and if I don't have enough of that particular color, just use some more. Because I think that's going to work. Now, I don't think that there's anything much I need to do to that, actually. But you've heard me say that before, and it doesn't ever mean anything. So, don't believe me now either. I'm just going to run my finger down along that edge. I'm going to be really glad I have GAC 800 by Golden mixed into all of my paint mixtures. My paint pouring recipe is below the video. Also under the video, you're going to find the link tree with my Pixels.com, Fine Art America, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Appreciation Group for Students, links along with my website and a whole bunch of other cool stuff. So, what should I do with that center? I think I might have wasted a little bit of beautiful color paint in there, but I have never minded using the straw to unearth colors. And I have some beautiful stripes, and I'm very pleased with that. And after all, it did start out with leftovers. And you know me, I'm bound to add a spiral, given half a chance. Oh, wow. I'm glad I did that. That would have dried in there as a big lump right in the center of that painting. So a few more of those spirals and I should be all set. I don't want to go too crazy because I like what I have. I think I said that already. Where was I? I was telling you guys, if you give me a thumbs up, it helps my standing on YouTube. If you leave me a comment, I really appreciate the morale boost, and it also helps my standing on YouTube. If you watch the videos longer, it helps my standing on YouTube. If you watch them when the notifications, there's a theme here, when you watch them when the notifications comes out, it helps my standing on YouTube. All of these things have been told to me. None of them have proved correct yet. But I live in hope that someday it may come to pass that I get back to where I was when I was trending when I started this channel. It would just be really nice. It would make my life complete. And all the hard work I put in, worthwhile. So I love you guys. There's over 91,000 of you. Check the end screen video, the exhibition video. We'll share with you right off the bat the next month's drawing prizes for those of you who decide to contribute through PayPal or Patreon to help support the studio production of videos. There are prizes to be won. And you can see them on the exhibition video. Yes, I have over 1,800 videos, and you can ask me to make a suggestion if you want. They are organized by the 100 and also by topic and genre. And if I can help you and you have a question, please feel free to ask. No holds barred. If I don't know the answer, I will tell you so. It's compelling. You keep finding new colors. There might be a few critters in here somewhere too. So, I said there was over 91,000 of you. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you are subscribed, thank you for being here. If you're new, welcome. I'm really happy that you're here. I have Teespring clothing underneath the video. That's cool. And it has Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts. And if you want to see anything reproduced, any of my designs reproduced on a t-shirt or leggings, let me know. And if a reproduction is up your alley or you're interested in purchasing an artwork, that's also very possible. My email address is below the link tree. And if you want to get in touch with me, I will deliver to you information in that regard. What else? I should read over there. Expressionist Art Studio Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors has albums of artworks that you can appreciate from past videos. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More has a link, a shop now button that will take you to Fine Art America and Pixels.com. And there's over 1,400 items there. My community board is on my YouTube channel underneath the banner, and on the bottom right hand corner, I'm all over the map. On the bottom right hand corner are the PayPal and Patreon icons should you be looking for them to make a donation, and they are also on the link tree. So I know I forgot all kinds of stuff. Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are on the link tree, and my website, and all kinds of other stuff. If you have anything you need, feel free to ask. I give up. I'll talk to you anon. You guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio. It's late in the day. What can I say? Don't forget to share my videos and watch them longer. And thank you for the thumbs up. And thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. I'm sorry. I'm right out there right now. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. And I'll see you